Today I am going to show you how you can install MS SQL Server 2019 in your Docker Ubuntu 20.04 container. Well, you need to choose correct Ubuntu image for this installation. If you choose regular Ubuntu image, you might get systemd related issue. So this is the command to pull correct systemd image. I am using this command to pull Ubuntu 20.04 Docker image, and then I will launch container using this image. Now the image is getting pulled. Once it is downloaded, the container will be in running state. It has been downloaded. I do not need to start the container because it is already in running state. I am going to log into my container using docker exec command. Now I am checking Ubuntu version. This is correct version, Ubuntu 20.04. Now I am going to check process. Yes, PID1 is systemd. So this should be like this, because if you choose a regular image, the PID1 will be bin bash and you might get this error. But if you choose this image to launch your Ubuntu container, you will not get systemd related issue. PID1 should be libsystemd process. This is the correct command to launch container using PID1 systemd, and this is the command to log inside the container. Now I am running other imported commands to install MS SQL Server. First I am updating the repository, because this is new container, so I need to run apt update. Now I am installing other important dependencies like wget curl. Yes, the packages have been installed. Now I am adding Microsoft keys. So the keys are necessary to install MS SQL Server. Without these keys you cannot install, because MS SQL Server is not default package of Ubuntu. So these keys need to be added. Now I am updating the apt repository. And this is the command to install MS SQL Server. Without these keys, this command will not work. So that's why I had to add Microsoft keys in my new Ubuntu 20.04 container. This is installing MS SQL Server 50.0. That is the 2019 version of MS SQL Server. this is a big package, so it might get some time. Now the package has been installed successfully and I need to configure MS SQL Server. This is the command to configure the MS SQL Server. It is asking me to choose the correct version. I am choosing 3 options. Express, free, because I do not have license keys. Now it is asking me to add administrator password. So password should have numeric character and alphabetical characters. So once you add the password, it starts configuring SQL Server. Now setup is completed successfully and I did not get any systemd related issue. My SQL Server has been installed successfully. Now to run MS SQL queries, I need to install some MS SQL tools related packages. So this is the command to install MS SQL tools. In similar way, I need to add Microsoft keys because without it I cannot install MS SQL tools packages. Now after adding the keys, I am updating the apt repository and this is the command to install MS SQL tools. Now tools have been installed successfully, but I need to provide path of the tools because it will not be able to find SQL CMD command. So I need to export path, but SQL CMD is not running because I need to execute bash profile because without it I am not able to run the SQL CMD command. So using source command I am executing the file. Sorry, s should be small. Yeah, now it is asking me administrator password. Yes, so I am on SQL prompt. Now I am creating one database, that is testdb newdb. The database is created and now I am listing all the databases of SQL Server. This is the list of all the databases. So see, I am able to list all the databases. So these are the simple steps to install MS SQL Server. You can find all these commands in the description, so it will be easier for you to copy and run in your Docker container. Thank you for watching.